How to fix Instagram enable to load images from gallery easily. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. So first thing you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to apps, click on Instagram right here and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled right here. After that, what you have to do now is make sure that to go back and click on the storage and click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back to the home page and then restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.